The excavator stalls and loses speed, moves weakly, and has high temperature. High pressure leakage caused by wear and grooving inside the hydraulic pump. Excessive clearance between the plug and the shoe will cause abnormal pressure relief noise. Even the shoe head breaks. The whitening of the plunger surface is a typical wear feature. A10VO71 axial plug variable pump is a load-sensitive pump. Can be used for JCB 8061, 8056, Shanhe Intelligent 80, Sany 7565, Longgong 65, and other 6E. A10 small excavators. High pressure relief valve can also be used as oil replenishment valve. Wide range and height adjustment can achieve different control and adjustment functions. If you want to know more, remember to follow and leave a message.